guys, welcome back to another vlog. Thank you so much for tuning in. So if you've been keeping up with my latest uploads, you'll know that I recently lowered the car. I got an alignment done and I found out that the camber in the rear was a little too aggressive for my liking. It's perfectly drivable on the daily basis, but for me, I prefer it to be just a little less camber. So negative 2.77 degrees is what I got for the rear. And in order to correct that, I needed lower control arms. And so I installed those fairly recently. And now we're gonna get our second alignment to hopefully even everything out. So the reason I'm making this video is I know the suspension I got, the RCE yellow lowering springs with the GT Works / Bilstein shocks are pretty popular. So hopefully this video can help others out, just because for me, I knew little to nothing about suspension. I mean, aside from coilovers and the basics of it, but camber bolts, lower control arms, I had no idea what those were until I literally just spent hours looking into it. So come to find out from my last alignment at PRE that I needed lower control arms, I started doing all the research, and yeah, like I said, I wanted to hopefully share some knowledge, some information, just because, you know, you buy suspension and surprise, you need to spend another $200 to $300 on the lower control arms to straighten out your camber, plus $100 on the alignment and all the time that, you know, you'll need to spend. So hopefully for those watching this video, you learn something new. If not, that's cool too. But yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, camber does not wear out the tires. It is the toe. And I'm looking at my rear view and I can already see, turn the camera around here. You guys can see that right there is my tire. So I already know just by looking at these tires in the wheel position that this car has some toe, so hopefully we can get that corrected today. So I'll shut up now and let's get out of here. And the toe on this is so bad, it'll eat through your tires, the toe will. So right now it's driving like crap. I'm not kidding you, it feels weird. Like the car is like going straight, but it feels like you're going this way. That's what that feels like right now. So that's why we pay the professionals to get aligned. This does not feel good. All right, we just pulled up, so we're gonna go ahead and park where that truck is leaving. All right, I'm gonna go inside. I'll keep you guys posted.
That's all you have.
So basically, I lowered it on some shocks and lowering springs, right? Yeah. Found out that the rears needed less camber because it's negative 2.77 right here.
Okay.
And so I bought lower control arms with the camber bolts, and now I'm here.
Okay.
I am back and the results were freaking horrible, man. I don't know what the issue is, but it's getting really frustrating. So as you can see, the fronts are fine. Everything looks to spec, or is to spec, but the rear is just messed up, man. And all I did was put some adjustable lower control arms, so I don't know what the issue is. The toe is all messed up. The camber is a little too aggressive, even more than before. And yeah, I don't know. Next step would be to get some adjustable toe arms for the rear. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a second opinion on these numbers and then hopefully get it sorted out that way. I don't understand why the camber and the toe would be worse now that I have the adjustable lower control arms versus when I didn't have them. So these numbers are off from when I had them. Now it has more camber and the toe is a little more positive, so it makes zero sense to me. I need to get a second opinion, so that's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, yeah, man, it's a lot of time, a lot of money, and it just keeps on going. But yeah, I'm gonna try to keep you guys posted as I go. I'm gonna call some additional shops around town. Nothing against A&M, you guys have been great. I know it's on a car by car basis, not just, oh, they did a bad job, or it's not anything like that. So yeah, I need to decide if I need to get some toe arms. But if any of you guys have had the same issue, let me know, because I'm really curious to see if it's just my car. I don't know, these numbers just seem way too off for a car that's lowered not even an inch. So it doesn't make any sense. Like I said, if you guys have any issues, let me know, man. I'm really curious to see if there's anyone who's dealing with this same stuff here. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.